No. So you're gonna sit like that? No, that's what I was saying. I brought the chairs. Amen.
Asante Chi, Impetiasi and Mama. Jinapan, I think I'm. Maybe Asante Chi, Mayanka, Asante Chi. Impetiasia, Mama. Jinapan, Edikan. Adisia. You are Kratapa.
I can see it.
Is it from home? From home?
I didn't really get it because we went on a trip.
Oh.
Junior.
She can't. They bought the whole book.
One hour, Homa. Who has the book? 1 hour, Homa. 1 hour, Homa.
This page.
Me no.
55.
Ago. Where do you hear Casabra? This isn't the time for talking. Open Braha.
Respect.
Oh, Kunyan Bra. I don't know. Yeah, China. We are waiting for her. Is it my kind? So let's read it together. Jinapan Bakun Mu Adisia Chishabiano Nie Inchichemu ID kind Inchichemu ID kind I didn't know I Inchichemu. No, I did Baku Metichemu.
Section 1.
Yet Chichim be more, it is a we were watching him. Amania ne Amamre, Manka Amania ne Amamre. In Chia, didn't just walk. New Mofra and Runson, ne Tetramadane, and some. And at the same talk, Nipa Via Afa, if you and Mama, if you and moi, Nisuku, Mama, who said, I had the almost rock Suku, and so I had the Yabaka say at the Siabia. It says Suku, I am profo. At the Siabiana, a P. Not a Nina at the back. Ahonidie. My guy, Ahonidie. Walk on Hassam. Oshe. Ne Adibisa. Anne. Ne Daddy Senka. Oh, yeah, as a year. Now, who said, Sir, Yanka, you throw us a Yanka. So, in Asante, the and A, we don't say it. It's written, but we don't say it. So, instead of papier, we can say, Warrior, Asante, you can say, Woo, yeah, Manka, woo, yeah, actually, Dibra, as the Missa. Nimwaye. Bretre. My idea, my own twasso. Yen kind winning now. I know you're in Chinchipu, my big kind, and my own twasso.
What page are you at?
My own call of fat ID kind. Of fat ID kind. How's it? Of fat ID kind. We all.
Chapter 1. What page am I'm lost?
Of fat ID kind.
Here, start at 6 here and then left here and here.
Why not a person of that kind? Who wants to read?
Here with trade. The
Of ID kind.
Wasa ofa yi munu SSE shere sheri no boho ma ben se o no be wa abofra no amano ahunu no ma a epande hone se ye
Mo, my idea. Will be some kind. Someone else also read that same section?
No, I can't.
Hey. Hands up you. Can I see you? Speak loud, I can't hear you.
Me. What's that? Okay, fine, read it.
Kind.
Can't read it. Wow.
Mira, kind.
Really? Osa Ofa
You're racist.
Yeah, that's racist.
It's
Everyone
a.
is reading the same.
How's it racist?
And she's like,
Racist. Good.
I'll go. Hold on, brah.
No, bo, moding, bombing, se, obebo,
Obefwa.
obebwa, obrafa,
Abofra.
abofra, no, ama, no, aku, no,
Ahunu.
Ahono.
ahono,
Norma.
norma, efa, ne, hu, ne, se, ye,
Yes, yeah. Mo. Hands up you.
What? No, I can't.
Kind. Kind.
Okay. Okay.
Kind.
Okay. Okay, what? Okay.
Stop in the water.
What's that? Okay, what's that? Offer you munu. It's a cell or to training no bomb modern cell or bebois abofra no amanu afunu norma a efa ni gunus sendie ye chia.
Mo. You know
What is this is teaching us just how to read too. That's it.
Can I say my next? Can I say the next? Okay.
We don't know what it means.
You will, that's why you're in class.
So can I know what this means?
You will. Right now we're just working on pronunciation and you're going to go into translation and know everything that is said. Right?
So, wasa ofan ye muna. Wasa ofan ye
Mo. Answer you.
I'm not paying. Read.
She already read.
Okay.
What's up, Opa?
Start over.
Daniel, how?
Okay.
What's up, Opa? Yimino, SSA, Otrek. What was that? Otrek. Ochitreni. Thank you, King. Ochitreni.
I know.
No.
Read.
Okay.
You told me, Bo. Who say you are sapon name? Me, poor one, Gaza.
Why do you love Frank?
If you offer to the dear, yeah, I'm not finished.
Ochitreni. No. Obomodin say Obeboa Abofano Amano Akono Nyoma Afani Afani Honi said ye cut cheer
Yeah, cheer.
ye cheer. Let's
No. Yo. Answer you.
Trace.
I know person kind. Mami kind.
Quiet.
Was our fire no. As I say, or running no. Bombarding say. Obeboa abofrano. Amano huno ngoma. Efanu hu. Ye said ye chia.
What does that mean?
Offer. And then I offer.
Takes.
She said
Takes.
no.
What did she say?
Offer.
What did she say?
Take.
Offer.
Offer.
Make. You take.
Debbie.
He's taking this.
Debbie.
It's taking.
Debbie.
Fine.
Debbie.
I never go to my
Debbie.
What does he say? Walk.
Check. Oui, et moi. Oui, mais chez moi, oui, offer, bah, oui, offer. Half or part. Offer. Mais chez moi, mieux noir. Oui, offer. I think we offer. I also know. Zebra is offer. Sana say today. First part, offer. I think almost say walk. Walk. And you walk. Debbie. Walk.
Pierce? Doesn't that mean like you or we?
Ne wo.
They.
Debi.
Her.
Muntie. Bre me ka se me wo ha.
Here?
Me wo ha.
I.
Wo. Ai wo ha no. Me wo ha. Wo wo ho.
R.
Wo ho.
R. You are.
This is a oh me to why cross wo baba.
Aren't you ready?
Wo ja mo frase mo wo di. Ni bra. Mam pupa we no. Eva.
Talking.
Mama. Ni.
Can I just go back to my seat?
Debi. Haya ta sanya kana nuna ko ka san ako ba ga ta ka san haya I'm saying time that was now an intent and Walk. I have here walk as I said. Act.
What? Oh yeah, at Millwall supermarket. Millwall market. Millwall market.
Mewaha. Muwaho. Mewaho. Owaho. Owaha. And walk. Now, but I won't walk in a move. Nti yego hu mayentia okunini samore kamara akwaba mayentia loliwe yemana akwaba onanti bai nti yengo nti wo sa ofayi mu wo sa ofayi mu Sa ofa yi mu. As you understand? In the middle. Was sa ofa yi mu. Ofa a bien. Ofa. How do you even translate ofa?
One part of this one.
Wasa ofayi mu.
In this part.
Mo aya die wa bin.
Ow!
Wa bin. So ja. Nti o say wasa ofayi mu no. Esese. Excuse me. No. What do you say? SSL. SSL.
Uncle Bella, they're actually doing a class in there.
Ah, you in the live call.
That's where I'm closing
Ah, you.
in Skyler.
I don't know. I look who mine's in there.
SSL at the side.
SSL. And
Because
If we say, who said, make a read or say, as I said, or horrible thing.
He has
You
to
have
say.
He has to or he must.
He must to. He has to.
You can say in this case, and, so now we're not talking about him, we're saying, and it. As I said, or horrible thing.
So, what's the difference between SSA and a war say?
You know what I'm say about him. But I'm say a was or horrible thing, and it says or horrible thing, you know, to say, who horrible thing, I mean, oh. You know, that's about it.
What? Doesn't mean take.
Yeah. Such.
Oh, okay.
I told there be a sound, so it means to say that. Now, so how do you hear we? Was sa or sayimu?
Now.
So in this section, we're not going to translate every word for word. But was sa or sayimu in this section?
So far we have at such that have inside. What? Is necessary that?
No. The.
Don't come.
But this is the thing. You're not going to do a word for word translation for every single thing. Otherwise, you'll just end up more confused. The whole part, wasa or fayimu, no, is in this section.
Okay.
In this section. But what I'm giving you is the parts so that when you see it in another place, you can understand what's going on. But if you try to make it into an English sentence, it won't make sense in the order that it's in. You say at part this inside what the what. You understand? Yeah. So in this part or in this section we can say wasa fayimu SSA ochirechireni wana oya ochirechireni.
Oh, so this first part means in this section.
Yes.
The other person that teaches.
A teacher.
Mo. Ochirechireni, manka ochirechireni. Ochirechireni. Wine na oye ochirechireni wo dan yim. Me. I maybe say wine that's food. Wine na oye ochirechireni wo dan yim. I mo aya de. Esese ochirechireni no bomodin, adina ya bomodin.
Try.
Mo aya de. Esese ochirechireni bomodin.
Yene.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I don't understand that part.
Yeah.
I don't even understand that.
Are you sure it's like
You know, SSA or children no bomardin said, Obebwa abofrano.
He helps the child.
And bois.
I get
What?
I don't.
Bois.
Help.
So what we have so far, Wasa or Fayimuno. So in this section, SSA or children no, it is necessary that the teacher or children no. So the word the comes after in Chi instead of something like no or chirechireni, that's not the order in Chi. You don't put the D in front. Or chirechireni no. Or kraman no. And then Iokraman no.
The dog.
The dog, right? So the no makes it the, a specific dog.
So why do you say no kraman?
Yenka.
That's
What kind of side did I say?
That means dog the.
What does wrong with them?
It would be backwards. It doesn't make sense in Chi. Right? So you have to say okraman no. Akonyam no.
Dog.
Or chirechireni no. Osuani no.
Obano.
Obano.
Abofrano.
Abofrano.
Amando.
You. Jatano. And then you have Jatano.
The lion. No.
Mo.
Lion.
And then they have Papa, they be no.
The
The crow.
Mo. Why are there? And then they have Patakuno.
The hyena.
And then they have Osebono.
Tiger. The tiger.
No, the leopard.
The leopard.
No tigers in Africa.
No, I told them that when I went to the restaurant, it was another man, and he said there's one in Hashimoto Forest. This is the
What?
This means that he doesn't understand English.
Do you know Hashimoto Forest?
No, I don't even know what that is.
Okay, so you not
Yeah.
That's the actual forest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's close to Achimota School on that same
Oh,
lane.
and then they used to do church.
They have tigers there.
We have leopards there. Tigers are not native to Africa. But because people don't learn English well, they learn catch a tiger by his toe and then they think tiger is what the thing is. It's called leopard.
They learned that. That's how they think this tiger.
Yes.
Because of that thing.
Yeah.
Because they learn the word tiger, but they don't learn leopard. They learn it in nursery rhymes. They're hearing tiger, 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 but they don't know that tigers aren't native to Africa. Tigers are not native to Africa. Yo, young go. SSR or Trani, Monka. SSR. Monka. SSR. Or Trani, no. Bomodin. Se. Obe bois. Bois. Obe bois. Abofrano. And then they have Abofrano. The child. Abofra.
What's the difference between child and person?
A person is not necessarily a child.
Can I write it in tree? Can I write
So
it in
in
this book?
Chi, Onipa, if it's yours, yeah. Did you buy it already?
What's in tree?
In Chi, a person is Onipa.
Oh. So I just switched them around.
Abofra is child.
Oh, okay.
Abofrano. Amano Hunu. Amano Ahunu.
Look.
Hunu.
Made him
See.
see.
See. Hunu is to see. Amano Ahunu. Nuoma. And then they have Nuoma. Nuoma me wo nuoma wo kutukuyi.
Bag.
Me wo
Thing.
nuoma
Put
wo.
inside.
That's what I said.
Bra.
King.
Mo. Aha. What are you?
Things.
Mo.
Things. Really? Things. Things.
Mo. Why are they?
Yeah. Things.
Why are they?
Things.
Ahunu nuoma. So it is necessary that the teacher tries to help the child so that he or she can see things.
What concerns him?
Mo. Why are they?
What concerns him? Ow!
Mo. Why are they?
You just like high five, isn't it?
So anytime you say fa something home, you're talking about something about or concerns.
But someone told me it's an insult. Like, if you're talking and someone says, what are you talking about? That's what people say.
That means how does it concern you? It's not really an insult, but it's a rude thing to say. So like, what does it concern you? So,
That just sounds weird.
But he just said
so just to use it by itself is not rude. So it's just to concern. Right? So it literally it takes body.
What?
It takes what?
Body.
Body.
That's the way you say it concerns something.
What?
And fa.
I don't understand.
I didn't want to ask you.
It takes body. That don't make no sense.
That's the way that you say to concern something.
So it means what? I'm using concern.
Hey, sit!
About. To concern or to be about. You got that? It's you? To concern or to be about. So if I know that concerns him or her, they say they chia. Chia.
Chia is greet.
Mo, why are you? Greet.
Greet.
Greet. I said greet.
It's in mine twasso. So let's continue. Mine twasso. Mine twasso.
Let's continue.
Mine. Titreno.
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 Mo, why are you? I didn't titreno.
Is this your turn?
Titreno. I didn't. But I'm not saying titreno.
Head something.
Bibi sa.
Say it again.
Titreno.
Titreno.
Can
Can I look that up? Never mind.
Titreno.
Example.
No, you just walk.
Is this on the book?
Such as.
The reasons.
It's on the book.
Such as.
Titreno.
No.
Where?
Oh,
This.
Objective?
This right here.
Titreno.
Oh, that
The reasons.
that means
Such as. Example.
these are like examples.
I said that. What?
For example.
Example no.
These examples.
Yeah,
Is these something?
Yes, it's the something.
Question, answer, meaning.
Mam bisa mun sam. Muti
Hey.
ehon hia na.
Yes.
Ehon hia.
Yeah.
Wait,
So you
what
come
does
back
that
to you.
mean?
Is it needed?
You need your head. Is it important?
Yeah.
Yes.
Titre. Because it's titre, I'm saying importantly. So like most importantly, this is the way you say it.
The important. It means the important.
So saying most importantly is the idea behind it. So the way to say that idea is titre no.
So how would you say it? Like this. It would just be important things. The important.
If you wanted to say something like you would say in English you would just say most importantly.
That's important.
But in Chi, what you would say is titre no
Titreno.
to convey that same idea.
Titreno.
But the word titre is coming from the word for head. And the idea is that the head is what is important, so that's the way you convey that idea
Important.
in Chi. Titre no.
Titreno.
Nchia.
Chia.
And then I nchia.
Greetings.
Greetings. Mo.
Already.
Greetings.
Just greetings.
Hey. What's that? Mo. Nchia ne njeswa. And then I njeswa.
Response.
Mo waya dia pa
Response.
mo waya dia mana
What's that song saying? Yes.
mo
Is the yes? This one.
Respond.
Which one is respond?
yes walk.
Okay.
So any ya in chia ni in just walk.
To greet, to respond.
Greetings and responses mo waya yeah.
I said it.
Any album sayam ran mo waya yeah.
I said it before. Yeah, sure. I said to greet and respond.
If ye no ma and then if ye if ye normal
Wait, I didn't even hear
Homework
that.
books. Homework books.
What did they say?
that's not normal
Housing.
things
Housing.
things normal we saw that word before normal
Did that head?
Yes.
things
No.
Right. If ye normal
What's
big thing
FEM?
if ye
House things.
House.
right if ye normal big thing
Name.
mo aya dia bo
House thing name.
House name.
if ye normal big thing mo aya dia if ye normal big thing what tree mo
Household and cream.
At tree.
what tree mo
At tree inside.
mo
Me. At tree inside.
so the way to say in tree is literally at chi inside. That's how you say in chi.
What?
What chi means
The tree doesn't.
What?
in chi.
Entry means out
What
inside.
chi. What kotokuo mu.
Did it take you long to understand all this stuff?
Maybe on cherry.
How long did it take?
One day.
Huh?
One day.
What does that mean?
1 week.
1 year.
1 week.
On cherry.
What's that mean?
It wasn't
But how long was it?
2 years. 1.5.
Shush!
So it's a baako.
Oh,
1 year.
1 year. It's long.
There's no
That's
12
365 days.
12 months.
Atre.
Right?
Writing.
Into a twin.
Writing.
Continuous writing.
Drawing. Writing. Yeah.
Into a twin. Into a twin. Into a twin.
Writing.
Now what?
Writing continually.
Continuously writing.
To review it, you're
Writing.
Atwerɛdeɛ
Check
no. Ɛsɛ na yɛ atwerɛdeɛ.
Tree writing. Tree writing.
Atwerɛdeɛ.
Tree teaching.
Is that way?
Wait, you
Where
skipped one.
atwerɛdeɛ?
This one.
ABC.
Tree
Alphabet.
letters. Tree letters.
Alphabet.
Mo-
No, I said no. Alphabet. Alphabet.
It's tree alphabet.
Atwerɛdeɛ.
What about atred?
Atwerɛdeɛ.
What's that?
No, but it says a tread, not one.
You know they are counted that.
Huh?
You know they are counted that.
You did that one?
What does it mean?
That's what I'm here
When is it capoeira time?
Ebra ye wie we no. Na ya
for.
ho.
Let me finish this.
When finish
Please
this page?
hurry up. I want to do
This
capoeira.
Okay. Finish this
We can do capoeira. No.
At the yo, so at the tray into a twam, continuous writing.
What?
Continuous writing.
Right,
So
so you can
atred
refer
means right.
tray by itself is to write. So a tray is what makes it a noun. A tray, so writing into a twam,
Writing a lot.
continuous.
Continuously writing.
Chi atredeɛ no. There's a typo in the book. Ago. There's a typo in the book. Mpomso wom. What does typo mean?
Something was wrong.
Taekwondo.
It was like a mistake when you were typing.
I didn't type it, I guess. When whoever was writing this book typed it. You see the same word
They
in.
type this tree.
There's a mistake here on that line
Which line?
where it says atredeɛ no. It should be written just like the word tre
There
above.
should be an F at the
It should be eh.
But not E.
So should be the same as the line above, because it's still
I
the
need a
word right.
black pen.
There's a different word, tre.
What's that? What's that?
Trace, are you doing capoeira?
That is to lean on.
What's tray?
Tre. That's to lean on. Tre. Tre. Adeyo. Mayenka, adeyo. 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 Edina adeyo. Eya ade a wo yo.
Fight. No. Asako. At.
What?
Adeyo.
Adeyo.
Ade a wo yo. And I say ade a wo ye.
No.
What's
you are doing?
Doing something.
Doing.
Doing
Adeyo.
something. Doing
So
something.
adeyo. This is ade thing, and then y'all doing thing doing. That's how we say verb.
But why?
in P.
How come it doesn't
Thing
sound?
doing.
It doesn't sound right in tree.
It says
Sounds
what?
like in
So
T, you're
this
saying it
word
doesn't sound
is
like in
verb.
Because
In
English is
it
backwards.
sounds wrong. In English to me it sounds
Hey,
wrong.
I'm
Because
gonna
English
do
is
your
backwards.
pen.
So now you're going to learn forwards instead of backwards like English.
So it's actually English backwards.
She is forward.
So that isn't the way you should be doing thinking.
So now we are thinking forward instead of backwards. Oh, cassette. Why has it cassette? Cassette.
What does that mean?
Right. Sorry, like empathy. Sorry. It's like when you want to show empathy to someone, you say
But
cassette.
kose is a food.
Cassette.
Like what people eat.
Cassette. Yeah, cassette.
Like what people eat.
When they have cassette. If someone falls down, you don't say cassette and give them some time. Une fois. Même quand une fois. Une fois.
Is it?
News.
Reports. Wait, I forgot what this one meant.
Problem.
Adios.
It's a verb, right?
Une fois.
Verb.
Adjective.
Pronoun.
Une fois.
Pronoun. Something.
Adverb.
Is it another part of speech? Is it a part of speech?
No.
They give it to you when they're writing you homework.
Yeah.
No!
Mark? No, no.
Is it a part of speech?
Premier cassette me ka asem.
I'm talking. Small.
Asem ya dia.
Teaching.
Problem.
Trouble.
How dia nya?
Talking low.
Asem.
Talking.
Speech.
No!
Speech.
Talking a lot.
Asem.
Lots of talking.
Eating something.
Whispering. Is
Loudly.
it loud?
No.
Nothing is
Loudly.
Sucking something out.
Talking.
What?
Talking aloud.
Premier cassette.
Speaking to someone.
Talking.
Giving your vocals.
Talking loudly.
Is it noise traveling?
Talking loudly. Speech.
And then I think back.
What?
Premier cassette.
Information.
I'm saying when I talk, what comes out? Words, right? And then asem ya
Bad
bako.
breath. Are you serious?
Asem ya bako. In sempoa and
I thought you
ya
were saying that you spit. Like,
degree.
one more.
No, when you were doing this, when you were like doing that, I thought it was whispering.
So adios sempoa, so verbal words. Verbal words. Nipa dria. Nipa dria.
Body. Yes. Wait, which one? Body.
Nipa dria.
Okay.
It's the same part that we saw here. Onima is the word for a human being or person. So nipa dria is saying the human tree. It's saying that a human body is like a tree, so human tree.
Human tree.
That's the way you call the physical body nipa dria.
Yeah, I thought so. Because yeah, is tree.
Okay, let's go.
Aqua.
Arms.
Aqua.
Bones.
Body.
Yes.
Body. Bones. Fingers. Joints. Bones.
Bodies.
Aqua.
Human body.
Skin.
Parts of the body.
What is it?
Parts of the body. Parts of the body. Parts of the body.
So you have to say it. Parts of the body. Everyone's saying parts of the body when they're saying skin.
Okay.
Aqua. Ahoduo. Ahoduo. Ahoduo.
Section.
Plenty.
Various.
Various.
So various parts of the body.
Hey.
Hey.
Various parts of the body.
No dean.
Wait, so it's body parts of the body various? said that this means body, and this means parts of the body. So it's body, parts of the body.
So just acquired by itself, just translate that as body part.
So put these together. So
So-
body parts.
Because the human body is seen like a tree, we call the parts of the body aqua, which is like branches. It's like the branches of the human tree. I hold on to Dean, and then I Dean, and then I Dean. Right, so names of the various parts of the body. Dean. Ago.
Let me read. Abofra, no, the sign is here. Let me read to say, Sukun Mama being watching. Nyom Mofra Emosem Atredie. Okay, read it.
Let me do it.
Why are you laughing? You don't know what I'm laughing at.
Okay. Mienu nsem for ahoso ni toto.
Wait, where's he? Let me do it.
Can I?
Okay, read it. Let me read it. No.
Hey, Brett.
Let her read.
Also obey. Mankind.
Abofra no besan asia deri se suku non noma bidin wo shimu wonne mofra and wasem ashedia mienu nsamfa aposo ne etotoko.
Mo, idea.
Abofano desa aswa biribi to
We
say
are Santa Trinity, Yanka, the throne, and say Yanka, BB.
oh okay. Bibi to say suku nyoma bi din wo trim
Nyom.
Nyomi in Mofra I want sem.
And read them.
I mean sem. I said yeah me in sem for I was me into tomorrow.
Mo, idea. KCO.
Oh!
I wasn't laughing at you.
Answer you.
Is there a choice?
Yeah, no, it's not.
Answer you.
You have to.
Why are you videoing me?
Why not? You're gonna read. I want to hear it.
Why did you video them?
Can you start?
Is you.
I want you to video me.
So if I take it off, you're gonna read?
Yeah.
Alright, it's off. It's starting.
Abofano.
The sun.
I wasn't laughing at you.
Asia.
It says big red.
BB.
Bibi Tisia.
To say.
Said.
Suku? Did you say Suku?
No, it's
Mankind.
it's suku. Right here.
You have to change your accent, otherwise it sounds funny.
No, okay.
Mankind.
No,
Okay.
no, man. Bid what Shimu. No,
Nyom.
I go.
Amen.
I go.
Mofra.
I go.
Amen.
Essence. Essence is reading, and I'm hearing interruptions and laughter and other side conversations. You're supposed to be quiet while she's reading. It's not fair to Essence.
But
Okay?
Okay.
There's no
Okay.
but. Be quiet and just let her read. All right?
No, I'm reading.
No,
Twasso,
you're not.
twasso.
Go ahead, Essence.
Yes.
No,
Twasso.
Essence.
Nyom.
No. Me. Mofra. Atregie. What?
Mienu.
That's what he's saying too. That's what he's doing.
Untutu no. Mo, imbo ensama no.
No, don't clap because that was bad.
Amam no.
Also, Essence, as you're listening to other people read it and hear their pronunciation, if you know it's correct, try to pronounce it the same way.
Yeah,
So it's like a listening.
accent, and I'm not understanding.
Try. If you're gonna resist learning the language, you're not going to
I
learn.
will learn the language, but I don't know.
But still, listen to how it's pronounced.
okay. Asafu.
Anwemsam. Asabio.
No, besan also bebe
Bibi.
bebe
So you don't pronounce the R, BB.
bibi chese suku anonoma
Nwama. Mo. Asabio.
So if I don't know the other words, yeah, but if I don't know the
Ave. Nana kwa me say mo mfa mo homo no nto ho na enko abonten.
Me back. Saka me back.
Somebody's inside.
Enko abonten.
We have to